Imagine a place where knowledge comes to life, where dreams are nurtured, and where possibilities are endless. Welcome to TPLIVE KOTA, a place of learning and innovation. Every corner here is a gateway of new ideas. Dive into the world of possibility with a diverse range of courses and programs. Life here, it's not just about academics. It's a vibrant community where you explore interest and create memories. From IIT, JEE, NEET, NTSE, boards and Olympiads, we have all courses that match your passion. For Foundation Group, we have classes from 7th to 10th for both CBSE boards and NTSE Olympiads. We also conduct online test series, one-on-one doubt sessions, provide practice sheets, regular PTMs, motivational program, orientation program for the better future. Conveniently located just a bit away from the classrooms, our cabins offer perfect balance between seclusion and accessibility. Even if you are not on campus, our online courses, it's at your fingertips. Access online resources just by searching www.tplivekota.com. Meet our esteemed faculty, experts in their field, who are not just teachers but mentors guiding towards excellence. Open to students, faculties, and researchers, our library serves as hub of learning and innovation. Our library offers a variety of environment to suit your learning style. With library facility, we also provide hostel facility. Our accommodations are designed with whole comfort and safe environment. Ready to embark on this journey? Applying is very simple. You can apply by using website www.tplivekota.com or you can visit the campus TP Live 22 Rajiv Gandhi Nagar, Kota, Rajasthan. Your journey toward brighter future starts here.